So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find slanted blur on CapCut. So basically all you need to do is to go ahead and open your CapCut app, then go to Effects. After going to Effects, go to Video Effects right here at the bottom. Then you could all see these effects. It could be trending, or if it's trending, it's on the trending option. So there you go. There is all the trending effects that you could be able to see. Then there you go. You just have to scroll there and find the blur effect, the slanted blur effect. Then there's nothing. So I go to opening and closing. The blur effect the blur slanted effect is not there. I tried finding it on lens and everything. I tried finding it to every effects. But my conclusion is that CapCut actually changed the effect, or basically get the effect out of the usage option. So basically, or CapCut would have replaced it through a new type of blur. So there are many types of blur here in the effect. So yeah, basically you couldn't find the blur slanted effect on CapCut anymore.